Hello guys, hope everyone is doing great. Today we will be talking about partial fractions, and I'll give you a basic introduction of how you approach when it comes to partial fractions. So all you need to remember is when you come to partial fractions, you have to know what a proper rational function is and what an improper rational function is. So I'll just walk you through what a proper rational function is first. So proper rational function is basically if the function of x, let's say for example x squared plus 2x plus 1 and x to the power 5 plus 2x plus 3. So basically if the power in the numerator is greater than the power in the denominator, we simply call it as a proper rational function. And what's an improper rational function? It's the opposite. It's basically if the powers are equal or greater. If the powers in the numerator are equal or greater than the denominator, we call it as improper rational function. For example, let's say x to the power 5 plus 2x plus 3 divided by x to the power 5 plus x plus 4. This is an example of improper rational function. See, if you see the maximum power in the numerator and the denominator are equal, so in this case it becomes an improper rational function. And for example, I can come up with another example like x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5 divided by x plus 5. In this case, if you see the powers in the numerator are greater than the power in the denominator, so this becomes an improper function. So when it comes to rational function, I repeat, like all you have to know is what a rational function and what an improper rational function is. So if you can identify it, then solving it into partial fractions is simple. So that's it guys. I'll come up with the future videos about different cases when it comes to partial fractions and how you solve it with lots of examples. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you guys.